12,000 photos, 3,000 unread emails, a desktop you can't even see the wallpaper on. You can't trip over digital clutter, but your brain still feels every bit of it. Good news, it's the same trick as a messy room. Claude can coach you through it one corner at a time. The inbox, the photos, the files, until your devices feel calm instead of chaotic. Step 1. Pick one corner, your inbox, your photos, or your files. Just one. Trying to fix everything at once is why you never start, so we don't. We pick a single target. Step 2. Give me a simple system to clean this up and keep it clean. Claude turns a vague, dreadful mess into a short list of clear steps you can actually follow. Step 3. Set a timer for 15 minutes and make one pass. You won't finish 12,000 photos today, but you'll see real progress, and that's what keeps you coming back. Start with the inbox, it's the fastest win. Archive the old stuff in bulk, keep only what needs action. Ask Claude for a quick rule to sort the rest. A clean inbox quiets a lot of noise. Then turn off the tap. Unsubscribe from everything you never actually read, ruthlessly. There's no point bailing water if you don't plug the leak. Less coming in means less to ever clean again. Now make it self-cleaning. Ask Claude to suggest folders, labels, and filters for how you actually work. Set them once, and tomorrow's email quietly sorts itself before you even look. The big one? Photos. You don't need 40 near-identical shots, 1,000 old screenshots, or the blurry ones. Blitz the obvious junk first. That alone clears more space than you'd believe. Then organize the keepers. A few albums by year, trip, or person. Ask Claude for a simple structure. Your favorite memories stop drowning in the noise and become something you can actually find. Onto files. A desktop buried in 200 icons is the digital version of a messy desk. Ask for a simple folder structure, a handful of clear homes for your stuff, and file things where they belong. Small trick, big payoff, a naming habit. Ask Claude for a simple convention, a date, a project, a clear word. Name files well once and you'll find anything in seconds instead of digging for 10 minutes. Then hit the Downloads folder, the junk drawer of every computer, full of files you forgot you saved. Keep the few that matter, clear the rest. It's oddly satisfying and it frees up real space. Now the device you hold all day? Your phone. Delete the apps you never open, tuck the rest into a few folders, and get down to one calm home screen instead of 5 cluttered ones. While you're there, quiet the buzz. Turn off every notification that isn't truly useful. Each ping is a little tug on your attention. Switch off the noise and you get your focus back. One important rule before you go deleting. Back up your photos and important files first. Deleting is forever. And keep private stuff private. Let AI help you organize, but never paste passwords or personal ID numbers into it. Then keep it clean with a weekly 10-minute reset, a quick sweep of the inbox and desktop. Ask Claude to build you a little routine. A few minutes a week and the chaos never comes back. The payoff? Your phone and computer feel calm, you find things fast, and that low background hum of digital chaos just fades. Your tech finally works for you instead of quietly wearing you down. So, 5 moves. Pick one corner, ask for a simple system, clear it in short sprints, back up before you delete, and keep a weekly reset. Tomorrow, we lock it all down. Passwords and staying safe from scams made simple. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool, I'll see you then.